Hi, today we're going to work on a zentangle project that has a 3D effect. For this project, you will need a Stabilo, and I'm also using the uni pen. I prefer it for drawing. A compass, and if you do not have a compass, you can use any circular shape you have at home. And I'm working this project on an A4 white paper. First step, we're going to draw a circle in the center of the paper, leaving a margin of 2 centimeters on the top side and the bottom side. Second step is to fill the zentangle with waved shapes, going from a shade to another. I will start with a red pen. First, you start from the center. You go up in a wave, it's like making a triangle, but also using a wavy pattern. You go up. Now I will be filling the inside with a number of waved lines, and they don't have to be parallel. Once I have this triangle filled with waved lines, I will start adding more waved lines to emphasize the color more. Once I'm done, I will retrace the semicircle I have here, or the curve I have, but not on the black line. Okay, just below it, right below it. Third step is to move from a color to another until the whole circle is filled with waved lines. Once the zentangle is filled with colors, we will start filling the outside of the zentangle with black, following the same pattern. So, at first I will fill towards the edges of the paper, towards the corners. One of the most important tips while trying to make the 3D effect that we will recreate is to try, while tracing the waves right here, the black waves, is to try to make them darker from the side of the zentangle. I take a starting point, and from it I recreate a number of waves. So the top edge will become darker because it's being retraced many times, and the bottom will be more clear. Once we have filled all the paths we have recreated that are connected from the zentangle to the corners and to the edges, we can start filling the blank spaces randomly. As a final step for this project, and to give the 3D effect a push, with a pencil, and if you have a drawing pencil it would be better, okay, an HB pencil would be best. You start by coloring, but in a very light touch, okay, you should not press. So you start coloring the side of the black waves that are just below the zentangle. Okay, with a very, very light touch, and then with your finger you rub them down. When you rub with your finger, you reduce the sharp end of the pencil, and you're allowing the traces of the pencil to blend with the rest of the drawing. Okay, now I want to show you how it looks from the side, because the 3D effect shows best when you play with your camera. You can see it clearly. And you can, like that, just take a picture, snap a picture and post it on Insta and impress your family. And at the same time, you will have enjoyed an hour or two of extreme relaxation. And this is it for us today. This is our project. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.